Decoding English Idioms. Big Mouth Uncovered. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to unravel the meaning behind the English idiom, big mouth. Idioms are a fantastic way to spice up your conversations and sound more like a native speaker, but they can be tricky to understand sometimes. So, if you've ever heard someone say, "He has a big mouth," or "Don't be such a big mouth," and wondered what they meant, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and decode this interesting idiom together. A big mouth doesn't actually have anything to do with the size of someone's mouth. In English, when we say someone has a big mouth, we are referring to their tendency to talk too much, especially about things that should be kept secret. It's often used in a negative context to describe someone who can't keep a secret or who tends to gossip about others. For example, if you tell your friend a secret and they end up telling other people, you might say, "I shouldn't have told her. She really has a big mouth." This means you regret sharing the secret because your friend couldn't keep it to herself. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use big mouth in sentences. 1. You should be careful about what you say around him. He's got a big mouth. 2. Here, the speaker is warning someone that a third person tends to talk a lot and might share information that should be kept confidential. 3. I heard it from Jake, but don't tell anyone. He'll kill me for saying anything. He really doesn't have a big mouth, I promise. 4. In this example, the speaker is sharing information they heard from Jake, but they trust that Jake is usually discreet and doesn't share secrets. 5. She's got such a big mouth. The whole office knows about her promotion already. 6. This sentence describes a situation where a woman has shared news of her promotion widely, implying she talks a lot. It's important to note that calling someone a big mouth can be considered offensive. It's a phrase that should be used carefully, and it's often safer to use it to describe situations rather than individuals directly. Every culture has different norms around privacy and sharing information, and the phrase, big mouth, reflects a certain value placed on discretion and confidentiality. And that's a wrap on big mouth. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of this idiom for you and given you confidence in using it in your conversations when appropriate. Remember, idioms are a great way to enrich your language skills, but they also require a sensitive understanding of context and connotation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.